A quick update on Alchemy Pay here. So ACH is looking good still here. I mean, it did come back down after it topped out at the 618 here at about 5.5 pennies. It pretty much came all the way back down to the trend, depending on where you want to pull this to, and of course what time frame you're on. But you can clearly see the overall macro picture we've been going over on ACH is extremely macro bullish in my opinion. So until ACH breaks down and breaks the trend and starts making lower lows, and it flips bearish here, which, it is crypto, so it very well could. It is looking very strong here, in my opinion. So we do have the 786 final support it could still wick down to. So if it comes down to about 2 pennies, then there's really nothing to worry about, especially if it forms just a wick down there. But it is still holding the higher lows, so it's very bullish right now, in my opinion. So just keep in mind, I mean, if it breaks that level here, if it starts breaking down, that it's probably coming all the way down here and dropping 28%, and then we will be not as bullish on it at that point. But what the point I'm trying to get across right now is it looks extremely well at the moment. So once you get back over 2.5 up to the 382 at 259 here, so not much of a price difference. But once we get back over that, you're back to being bullish, and then of course low to the high, bullish back over the 382 here at 3.5 pennies. And the big breakout on this thing, if we go to the monthly chart here, let me zoom this out so you can kind of see better. But you can clearly see once we get over the 618 on the macro of pictures of things for ACH, that's when this thing's going to be extremely bullish, confirmation over that 5.5. And that's when the bull run for ACH is going to end up starting here. But overall macro, large ascending triangle pattern here, so that's the very bullish pattern we're looking at. And the bigger question is, of course, comment down below your thoughts. Where do you see ACH ending up, this bull market cycle? You can see we do have the 50 cent range. The 1272 official new high here at 50 would be a 22x, and then if it wicks above that and hits 60, you would get about a 27x on ACH here. And if you're extremely bullish on it, maybe we get an 80 cent to a dollar ACH, which I think is a bit of a stretch, but we'll see. Maybe you get a 35x out of it. But I am liking the 50 cent range for ACH here in 2025. So like I said, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out. And none of this is financial advice, by the way.